It collects a lot of junk.
Wow, look at all these magnetos, old saws, old Model A over here.
All kinds of goodies.
Whoa, hello.
That's our garden tractor there.
Man, look at this wheel. Look at that. It's like 6 feet.
It would hurt your toe to run over.
That is crazy. What in the world?
We've been doing a few props for the movie industry, so we've ended up with a few more things than we usually have out here.
This is a cool old tractor.
It's a 1924 Fordson, and this is the first thing that we had in a motion picture, and have some photos of Bill Murray driving it around.
Oh, that's cool. You know, if you need any extra drivers in these films, I am dressed and ready to go.
We'll have to get you out here and see how you do, and we'll take one for a spin.
Yes! I can drive a stick, too.
Well, that's required.
All right, here we go. You coming?
Sure.
I think you probably better.
Is that safe?
I think you want to babysit me.
Gas.
Advance back. E-brake. Got it. Go. There we go. Come on, baby. Yay. You got it. Come on. Come on. That's
I think I can. Woo! 60 miles an hour in a brass air car is pretty exhilarating, you know, because of the noise, the sounds. It's not like riding 100 miles an hour in a sports car.
This is awesome. Woo! You know, it's the first time I've ever driven one of these. When you put that thing in gear, there's a huge motor up front. And you got to think, the guy that you just ran by had a horse. Seriously, he had a horse. Oh yeah, all right kids. Now we got, moving into the late model era, 1930 Packard. It's called a Roadster for you kids that don't know. A Roadster has no side windows that roll up and down. Long wheelbase.
But we're going to stay off the road. We're going to hit some gravel roads and stuff like that.
Oh lordy.
So
Here we go.
Off-roading
Right.
in the Packard.
We're going in. Woo! Here we go. Man, this thing drives like a champ.
Oh yeah, it's a modern car. It was top of the line for Packard in 1930.
Here we go. You got it. You got it.
Oh, hey, let's practice. Oh, I think you missed one. It's going to end up in the creek. That's all we got.
Oh boy. This is awesome. Woo! Pasture driving in a Packard. Ow! Backyard rodeo. Oh, I gotta tend the crops, guys.
Well, I think it's a good experience. Brian likes cars, and I think it's a unique piece of the history. I mean, not a lot of people understand that these cars still exist and they can get out and drive them.
It's just another day at Jeff Chadden's house, spinning laps in the dirt with Packards. Oh, that was awesome. What a fun day. You got some great cars, and you know, it just reminds me, like, thinking about, you know, getting to do new experiences, go in fast cars. One of my good friends, Jesse Combs,